Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel, watching my videos. So today I want to talk to you about these two bikes, and I'll do compare side by side, give you all the spec about both of the bikes and more information, so you can decide, do your own analysis to see which one you like, which one you want to buy, because this bike already available on Amazon, the V1, and I like it. Jetson Bolt Pro available at Costco or Amazon. I'll post a link to Amazon as well. And the price difference about Jetson Bolt Pro as low as $330 in a store if you can find one. Online it's about $350 if you can find one. On Costco, on Amazon it's over $400, and V1 it's about $600, more or less $650, depend, $550. They change the price, so again the price vary. So let's get in details and see why should you buy one versus the other. Okay, number one, both bike made by DYU. As you can see, the original bike company who makes this DYU company is DYU, and Jetson made by DYU company. It's just reseller company Jetson in USA. They sold in Costco or Amazon resellers. Okay, I'll just talk to you about the difference between these two bikes, because people have questions. I already did compare, but I want to do more details compare just for these two bikes. Okay, and I have another video if you want to check in description where I compare three bikes, but today I will do only these two. Again, some information will be repeated, I guess. So the weight, Jetson Bolt Pro weight 43 pounds, 44 pounds, something like that. DYU it's 50 pounds, 50 or 49. I just weighted, so it was somewhere between 49. I would say 49 because I have the cup holders on it, so 49, and this one would be about 43 and a half. Then the handlebar, as you can see, it's taller with V1 and Jetson Bolt Pro. The handlebar are about 2 inches low from the floor, but the seat on V1 it's not adjustable. With Jetson Bolt Pro you can adjust the seat if you want to, make it higher or low. In DYU the seat is much more comfortable. It's a bigger seat. It's like and okay, and this bike okay, I'll talk to you about this a lot. Okay, this seat it's okay, but some people are not happy with it, so they buy separate seat. And the reason I like the unadjustable seat in this bike, depends what you're using for. If you're just trying to cruise, I think this seat is just perfect. If you want just to have more workout, to bring the seat up, have better comfort to your legs, but then you need to consider that you can flip over because you may lose make the bike unbalanced, uncomfortable riding long distance, because I have another video telling why the long seat post is not good. Also, you can check in description with all this information already recorded. So the next is the handlebar foldable in both bikes the same way, with a latch and lock on the side. Same thing over here. Okay, both bikes have a light. V1 have light from the front and the rear with a brake light, so it will flash when you brake. With Bolt Pro, the rear comes just like this piece. It's just light on battery, not chargeable, and it comes with a front light, which is not as big. With V1, it comes with a bigger light, as you can see. To turn the light on, you just use the switch on V1. With Bolt Pro, you have to press this button and hold it for 5 seconds to turn it on, to turn it off, the same way. Also, it comes with manual bell on Pro, and V1 comes with this type of bell, really nice. They come with both brakes, front and rear, Same thing with Jetson Bolt Pro. I don't see any difference. It's a disc brakes, which is good. They brake, both of them really nice. V1 comes with both suspension, front and rear, which is really nice. Also make you comfortable ride. With Bolt Pro have no suspension, so if you have back problems or if you want just comfortable ride, V1 is a great choice. As a seat as well. Then what else it has? Oh, it does have theft protection, so it's very easy to use. So there's 3 buttons on it. It comes with 2 pieces like this. So one button is turn on, turn off the bike. This one, like, you can turn on, turn off, so you don't have to press the button on the bike. And this one is unlock the bike. This one is locked. So if you lock the bike and somebody touch it, it will start to unlock. Okay, so V1 have 12-inch wheels. Bolt Pro have 14-inch. As you can see the difference. V1 is more compact. It's smaller bike. It's much easier to put in a trunk. Jetson Bolt Pro also compact, but it's a little bit longer. And V1 have a better battery. The battery lasts almost half time more, so I charge it less, almost twice less than Bolt Pro. So the battery is much better over here, holding charge longer. And V1 comes with a foldable pedals, and Jetson Bolt Pro does not, just regular pedals. And everything else, I guess the same, but frame is made out of steel. It's not aluminum, so that's why they are heavy. But it's still fun. It's not as heavy, but very easy to put in a trunk. With V1, if you want, you can put a license plate over here, or just fake license plate. The charging port is on the bottom over here. With the Bolt Pro, it's on the side. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge both of the bikes. I think V1 will be longer because the battery is bigger. And my experience, more comfortable ride with V1. Both of the bikes are a lot of fun to ride, regardless which one you choose. I recommend to do your own analysis to see which one you need more, like which one future is more for you, because I really like the future as a theft alert, and also I like the bell, seat, the battery life, and I like Jetson Bolt Pro as well. I love both of them, so there's no reason not to get one of them. So make your own analysis, see what you like more, what you need more. If you need to ride at the beach just to cruise, DYU is the best one for V1. If you want to ride off-road more, then Jetson Bolt Pro would be better because of bigger wheels. But again, it's total up to you which one will fit your needs, because everybody have different needs, and I understand that, and I just go through what I need, and I go with the bike I need at the time when I ride. Also, please guys, hit subscribe and the bell button on the next to it, so I will unveil the new electric bike soon. It's coming in a mail probably today, so I'm very excited, and I want to share with you this new bike, which you're probably gonna love it, and it's gonna be a really great bike for the summer. Again, comment below which one you like, and if you have any questions, also comment below, and I will try to make another video with measurement more with DYU, and also how to use this bike. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.